Come back to Jim Boy's Kitchen. Notice what this is. Is it a racing car? Yeah. What do you think, buddy? It's a racing car, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Look at this. Bring you some movements of some nice car here. Look at this. Oh, man, what is that? A nice Chrysler? Yeah, I got different designs of cars. Number 10 is there. Number 10 looks bad. 20 looks even badder, right? Right, brother?
Yes, sir. There's a bunch of nice ones down on the other end.
At the end over here.
I mean, not as nice as that one right there. That
Yeah.
cage.
Well, it's a showcase of cars. See the engines right here? Yeah. Got a nice tire here. All wrapped up. Never used. So if you know these type of cars, nice. There's the battery. Important, electric. Racing cars. Right, brother? Yeah, man.
Take it easy.
Great pleasure, my brother. Yes, every minute. All right. Got a showcase of cars. Got to see this one. I just want to show you some different types of cars here. Old-fashioned, old-timer cars, racing cars. See? It's pretty good. Pretty good car, is it? Nice. Yeah. Got this one here. Got some over here, some spectators looking around. People taking pictures. I like this one here. This one is just a frame. See? And it's rivet. But these are racing cars, so they have to get rivet on them, make the body lighter. See? That's how they go in the race. Stick shift. Number 12. Does number 12 look like a winner? If you know these type of cars, name them. I'll show you another one here. Name these cars. Number 33 is the winner, brother. Number 33 is going to be the winner. It's nice. And I guess they have the rivet because the rivet makes it lighter, right? Because they race. Yeah, you see the rivet? Makes it lighter. Yeah, like an aeroplane. See another bad boy here? Not bad, see? Nice car here. Racing car. If you know the number 33 look like a winner. I'll show you some different racing cars here that I'm getting my hands on. Yeah, it's a showcase of racing cars. It's nice. Yeah. Number 33. There goes the bad boy. There goes the bad boy. There he is. This one is number. Look at this one. Oh, this one is even. This one looks even better, right? Yeah. What is that? Mortensen. Yeah. Racing cars, folks. Got some bad boys over here. Number 816. Oh yeah. So whenever you see sports and you see car racing, it's one of these. One of these cars. It's racing. Yeah. I like number 3 better. They're all made with rivet. Because because they got to be light for racing, you see? Racing cars. But they use old cars, Acura, for racing, you know? There goes another one. There goes another one. When you look at these cars, you don't say, let's go for a ride. You say, let's go for a spin. Yeah. Nice. This is another nice one here. Another nice one, is it? They're all racing cars. Kind of look the same. Got a restaurant there. Yeah. Not bad. They're nice. But I still like mine with the windshield though. You know, these racing cars are made without glass. That's in case of a crash, they don't break. The glass doesn't break up, you see? Let's go take a stroll. Watch around the others here. So you could see, take a look at these cars. I'm just making a fast clip for you. Ain't nothing special today except these special cars. Yeah, I still like mine with the windshield now. You know what I mean? Look at this one. This one is naked. It's a skeleton. But that's what the racing car is. See? The racing car, man. Skeleton. This one here is a Camaro. Now you know they built it up. Let's go down the lane and see the rest here. This one is Mr. Parks. They're all basically made with the same fashion, with the aluminum. You can take a look at the racing cars here. This one is Mason Construction. Hey buddy, I still like mine with the windshield though. You know? Nice. Take a look, yeah. Don't you like yours with the windshield? Oh, this one looks pretty good. Yeah. See the wheels, you got the big tires here. Got all these big tires. It's fiberglass. Made out of fiberglass and aluminum. Yeah. Because it's made for racing. No windshield. See the inside? Nice. Number 35. Yep, look at this. Dixie. Show you some racing cars on display here. This one is Snyder. Got some more in the back there. This one looks like James Bond. Right, brother? It looks like James Bond. Roger Moore. When he takes off in the water, it becomes a boat. Yeah. It was kind of like a James Bond, right? Yeah. Got a little scooter one here, white light. Look at this. Oh man, this one is bad. This one is bad. This is special thanks to Grandpa. Oh, you got more in the back. Oh man, there's a lot of display of cars, racing cars. Crates. So this is as close as we get to the racing cars. Too bad we can't take it to the tracks. We got more over here. Got some little ones in the scooter. Look at this. These are little ones on the wheeler there. Look at this one. This one is nice. This one looks like a 747 from the front. Yeah, nice. Looks like a 747. This one. Nice. They're all racing cars. This is one of those old bad boy. Rivet. So you know how they made the racing cars with a rivet, not really bolts. Got a little information there, nice. See, racing cars, stocked on. Look at these tires, see? That's racing tires. Wow, right. See, so that's what the tires look like, so they don't spin across the ocean. Right? Some big wide tires. This is like double a regular car size tire, is it? Yeah, it's double the size of the width of a regular tire. Yeah. See, I got the folks here, they're team owners for the cars. So I noticed you have the cars made with rivet, right? So that they're lighter, aluminum.
There's a weight limit, yes. You have to weigh so much weight.
Oh,
lightweight, every material, like fiberglass,
oh. Oh, okay. See, the gentleman said lightweight, aluminum.
aluminum hood, aluminum fenders. No, these are plastic fenders.
Seats are
Plastic.
aluminum. Everything you can make as light as you can.
Oh, like an airplane, so that it flies.
Yeah, faster.
Yeah. So everything is aluminum. Nothing is realistic in a real car.
Right. No real car parts.
No real car parts is here. So that's something we all learned, folks. No real car parts. So when you see one fly up in the air in the racetrack, you know what to expect. There ain't gonna be no bending. It's gonna be flying.
The only ones with car parts is the little four cylinders that look like cars. They're real cars.
Oh, okay.
They're little four cylinder cars.
Right, okay.
These are like these, nothing from a car.
Nothing
These
from a
look like somewhat, but nothing from a car.
They build these of their own.
Yep, you buy all the pieces.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you too.
All right, Joe. Well, it's a great pleasure, man. Thank you for the little detail there.
They build the frame, nothing's, see how the frame's all tubing?
Yeah.
They build everything.
Okay, nothing is real. They build it. Actually, it's not even from an original car.
The motor block.
It's created. Okay, they created everything from the body of their own, to make a different image, right? For racing. Very nice
Get
to
it
know.
aerodynamic too, to get the air.
Yeah.
Hold it down. See how big? All that air is pushing that down.
Pushing it down. Looks
See
like,
how those are? See how all the
Yeah.
air goes through it to push it down.
and it looks like they were playing like a 747. The way it's the front is, and yeah, it looks like a 747. The man Joe, the chairman of the board.
Made to go through the air.
Yep. Oh man. So these cars are the real racing cars.
Yep.
See?
It's a Cadillac.
Looking at them, there's a Cadillac right there. And it's kind of a rivet on, right?
Yeah, these are screw. You turn a half a turn and it pops right out.
Oh, okay, okay. Very good to know. All right, folks, so you see, we got a little information about racing cars. Got them close up here. All right, brother. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice to know those things, man.
You're welcome.
All right. These are the little ones here. Spectators all the way. Checking out the cars. This is nice. All right. This is number 99 from the back. Look. See? So everything is created. It has like an aeroplane tire. If you look good, they're like aeroplane tires too. Yeah, the built of it. See? It's the airplane structure there with the airlift, hydraulic system and everything. And it's not created, this is not from an original car. They created this themselves. They built it to suit, lightweight so that it flies. Look at this tire. It's airplane tire, folks. Yeah. Feel like a drum. See? It's double the size of a regular tire. Aeroplane. Yep. This one is nice. Look at this one. Look at this one, folks. It's my car. I got one of these, man. See? Yeah. One more time, we take a look again. See them line up there. So we got some details. See, if you notice, it's made with this aluminum. Aluminum, just to airlift off the ground as they speed away on the track. So no car parts is here. This is created with metal and a rivet, maybe some light screws. Yeah. Looks like a jumbo jet too. Looks like a jumbo jet. Yeah, right? Looks like a jumbo jet. Look at this one. This is a showcase of cars, folks. Racing cars. Different made, different style. I want to get me some dish, some lamb over rice or chicken over rice. Nice little place here. Well, the lady.
And then white sauce.
What is that? Lamb or chicken?
Gyro.
Lamb gyro. Wow, nice. See, the lady said it's delicious, and I know I bought food from this place many times, and hey, I gotta kick it up and give them a boost, you know. I love the lamb over rice or the chicken over rice. Man, make nice with the white sauce. Pretty good. Yeah. See that? That's a gyro. And, you know, it's right in the mall, so you can't go wrong. And even the people love it. Yeah. Yeah, nice, nice. The lady loved. She happy to see me. Now I need my rice with some nice, what do you got, lamb or chicken?
We have both. Spicy chicken, grilled chicken, and lamb.
Yeah, give me some spicy chicken with some beans.
You want the white rice or the brown?
Yeah, give me some brown rice with a white sauce and some lettuce, tomato. Sample this bad boy. Man, food is pretty good, you know. It's not bad. So whenever you come to the mall, you get some nice food, man. Look at that. Well prepared. Oh yeah. Got my dish all fixing up there by the gentleman. Say hi to my people, man. Yeah, man. Delicious. He makes the food very nice. And the white sauce, that's it. With some hot sauce, right? That's good, huh? Oh yeah. Yeah, man. Say hi to the people, man. Yep. You got it. Jim Boy's Kitchen. Jim Boy's Kitchen. You got it, brother. Wonderful chef here, you know, man. Wonderful chef. Look at the dish. Look at the dish this man prepared for me. Oh, man.
We got several hot sauces. Which one you want?
You can give me the regular one you got there. Yeah. Oh, okay. Nice. That's the hot sauce. You see, folks? Nice. All right. You give me both. Nice. Man, treat you up good. When you come here, what's the name, man? Yeah, fresco wrap. You can't go wrong. The man treat you good with a nice dish. Oh, man.
You want it for here or to go?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it here. I want to show them. Look at this, folks. Fresco wrap. You can't go wrong. Look at this beautiful dish. And it's cheap, man. All right, folks. I'm gonna take a taste of this. I'll be honest with you. I ate this before, and it's pretty good, you know. This dish is very good from the fresco wrap. This is the hot sauce. You got two different type of hot sauce. One kind of made with, I think, soy sauce, not soy sauce, but some mayonnaise with some yogurt. Next one with some sauce. Yeah, Tabasco mixed up in there. Nice. I'll try this bad boy. Got some lettuce and tomato. I'll tell you right now how it tastes. Very good. Yeah. Well, I was happy to bring you some cars. Show you what some recent car look like. Close up, off track. And eat some nice dish. Whenever you come down to Schenectady, yeah, you can pick up some of these. And this is established in many areas. Delicious. One day I'm going to make this dish for you. I'm going to show you how to make this dish, alright? Look at this. Nice. Got some black beans there. Got some tomato. Tomato on the side. Lettuce. Got some basmati. This is basmati rice, you know. It's like brown rice, brown basmati rice. Yeah. Tastes pretty good with the sauce, with the white sauce. Until the next time, thank you once again for subscribing. Leave your comments. Hope you like those cars. Until the next one, please subscribe to my channel, Jim Boy's Kitchen. I'll see you around. I told you, I see you on the streets. Bye, everybody. Nice.